Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday, and today I've got a quick Canva tutorial for you. We're going to be showing you how to remove the background of your pictures here in Canva Pro. It's really simple to do, and it works great for creating thumbnails or social media posts. So first off, I want to show you over on my desktop here, I do have a photo of myself. It's from Alaska. This is what we're going to be removing the background from today, so the mountains and the water. Now jumping back over to my project here, you can see I have a blank canvas, but I'm going to add a background there so it's a little bit easier to see. So we'll go over to backgrounds here on the left. I'll left click on that and I'll just select one here so it loads it in for our project. Now the next thing we need to do is bring in our photo that we want to remove the background of. So I'm going to go ahead over to the left hand side here where it says uploads, and right here it says upload files. We can go ahead and left click on that, and this will allow us to search our computer for that photo. So it's right here on my desktop. You can search all through your computer for that. So I could go ahead and left click on that and hit open, and it would bring it in. Or the easier way I find is to just drag and drop it. So I can left click and hold down the mouse button, drag it over, and then let go, and it's going to upload it here in Canva. And it's going to load it into our upload section. Now, if you actually dropped it on the background here, it would have loaded it right into our project. But we can go ahead and do that right now. So I'll left click and hold that mouse button down, and we'll drag it over and drop it in there just like that. Now from here, we need to make sure that photo is selected. You can see that the purple outline is around the photo. If we have the background selected, it'll be around the background. So make sure that the photo you're removing the background from is selected. And we're going to head up to edit image here towards the upper left, and we'll left click on that. And under Magic Studio here, you should see the BG remover. And again, this is a Canva Pro feature. You know that by there being a little crown right here. And I've used Canva Pro for a couple of years now, and it sure saved me a lot of time, primarily because of this feature. It works great. So I'm gonna go ahead and left click on BG remover. And watch how quick this removes the background of my image. A few seconds, and there it is done. Now, of course, it's not always perfect, so if you do need to make adjustments, you can easily do that. We can grab the corner handles here and make it bigger or smaller. And then make sure that is selected. And again, we're going to go up to BG remover here. And right in the middle now, there's a little icon, some lines with circles, and we can configure that image. So if I click on it again, it's going to allow us to erase or restore. So if we want to erase some more of it, we can just go ahead and click on erase. We can adjust our brush size. So probably a small one here. And we could just go down and erase. Maybe I wanted to erase some of my coat down here at the bottom left. We could easily do that, just like that. If we wanted to restore some of the image, we can click on restore here and then restore some of it. Again, we can adjust the brush size here. We can also show original image. So this, if you turn this on, it shows just a light version of your image in the background, so it's easier to adjust it. Really a great feature. When you're done there, just go ahead and hit back out here on the top left, and your image is all done. Again, we can adjust it out. You can add your text, do whatever you need to in here. And honestly, it's really that simple to remove the background of a picture here in Canva Pro.